So if we go and create a new agent, here's one we prepared earlier. It's a technical writer that, given a certain user prompt, will go and create the description, the title, a lot of bits and pieces for an issue, basically. It's not important what it does. This is more a showcase of the connection between the catalog and the workflow service. So this is it living in the catalog, and at this point you might want to test that agent. So you'd have like a run or a test button, and you'd click on that, and it would go test it, give you an example response so that you can see what it is. We have to mock this in this because we don't have the API connection between workflow service and the catalog right now. So we've just done that there in the console to get this YAML, which is what we would send to workflow service, and then we plug it in here to manually create that flow, right? So there's a little bit of smoke and mirrors here. That agent is technically a single agent flow. But yeah, basically, so we select that flow in the UI, and then we can give it a user prompt. So this one is for Gmail login. Again, not important what it is. The point is you can put in whatever you want there. That's your user prompt. And then it goes and kicks off a pipeline and a job with that flow and everything that you're used to seeing from the workflow service, right? So in theory, this should... Yep, there we go. There's our GitLab issue for Gmail, Google authentication support, whatever it is. And what we would then do is we would take that, we would show it in the Flow UI. But again, that API is not quite there just yet. This was for a single agent flow, so what you would expect really is we would take that technical writer output and then pass it to something else. But again, when the APIs are there, we'll be able to show all this a bit better.